Good morning, ma'am. Good morning to all of you. Today is my demonstration class. My topic is renal biopsy, liver biopsy, cervical biopsy. First, see introduction of renal biopsy. For more than 50 years, renal biopsy has been an important diagnostic procedure in modern nephrology. Increasing perception of the biopsy techniques has made the procedure very safe with rare complication and few contraindication. Then definition. Renal biopsy definition. Kidney biopsy, it is a medical procedure in which a small piece of kidney is removed from the body from examination, usually under a microscopy. Microscopy examination of the tissue can provide information needed to diagnostic, monitor or test problem of the kidney. रीनल बायोप्सी एक मेडिकल प्रोसीजर है जिसमें स्मॉल पीसेस को लेकर एग्जामिन करते हैं माइक्रोस्कोपी के थ्रू डायग्नोसिस एंड एनालिसिस के लिए. इंडिकेशन फॉर रीनल बायोप्सी. 4 group of patient benefit from the finding of renal biopsy. First is a nephrotic syndrome. Second is a renal disease in control of systematic disorder. Third is a acute renal failure. Fourth is a renal transplant. Next is a contraindication. First, bleeding dialysis. Second, uncooperative patient. Third is a uncontrolled severe hypertension. Fourth, skin infection at the discrete biopsy site. Hemostasis. 6 is pregnancy. 7 is urine tract infection. 8 is obesity. And renal biopsy procedure. First, preparation. Before your biopsy, patient may needle testing to see if they have a blood clotting abnormal and infection, and to decrease the risk of bleeding, patient should be asked to stop taking medicine that increase the risk of bleeding, such as aspirin like compound, antiplatelet and anticoagulant, for 1 to 2 weeks before the biopsy. Then biopsy procedure. Renal biopsy usually informed while patients are awake after a cleaning agent is applied and local anesthesia giving to minimize pain. The most common way of free from a biopsy is to use a needle which is inserted together the skin and into the kidney. The approaches is either by using an ultrasound, X-ray and or CT scan localize the right position of the kidney, usually the lower pole. Once the needle is after renal biopsy, after an open or needle biopsy, patient will be kept in a recovery or an observation unit for several hours to monitor for patient complication, including pain and bleeding. Patient may be have bleed, draw for CBC and or repeat X-ray and monitor for bleeding. In some instances, patient will be sent home after several hours of monitoring Then complication. Less serious complication can occur and can including bleeding, pain and development of an abnormal connection between two blood vessels, a fistula. Rare complication include infection, damage to blood vessels or other or urine leaks. Then my second topics liver biopsy introduction. A liver biopsy is a medical procedure used to remove a small piece of liver tissue so doctor can examine the liver condition. Definition. Liver biopsy is defined as the medical procedure in which a small piece of liver tissue removed from the body parts. Second definition, liver biopsy is the biopsy from the liver. It is a medical test that is to aid diagnosis of liver disease and monitor the progress of treatment. Laparoscopy. Together, a small incision in your abdominal, a laparoscope is inserted. The laparoscope guides your doctor to total the sample for a specific part of your liver. After a liver biopsy, your cut will be bandaged and you must lie on your right side for a few hours. You will need to limit your physical activity. Any pain or soreness you experience will side effect in a few hours and days. My third topic is cervical biopsy. Basic anatomy. It is a lower part, most part of the uterus, cylindrical in shape and measures about 2.5. It lays between the histology internal and the vagina. Mainly compounds of fibrous constitutive tissue which average for 10-15 point smooth muscle fibers. Introduction. A cervical biopsy is usually done after an abnormality has been found during a routine pelvic examination. Palm spasm. Definition. Cervical biopsy is a surgical procedure in which a small amount of tissue is removed from the cervix. It is a removal from the small sample of tissue of the cervix from examination under a microscopy used for the diagnosis and treatment of cervical cancer and preconception condition. Types for cervical biopsy. First, punch biopsy, ring biopsy, cone biopsy and bandage biopsy. First is a punch biopsy, an outpatient procedure without anesthesia. Bandage biopsy, posterior vaginal speculum in introduce internal and the posterior limbs of the cervix in help by the longest fibrous. Ring biopsy, the tissue is subject to cervical surgical section to detect cervical in then cone biopsy, both diagnostic and treatment purpose. Removal of the cone of the cervix, which include either junction, strom, which gland, and endocranial muscles and membranes. Then complication: first, secondary hemorrhage, cervical stenosis leading to hematological infection, demonstrate cervical muscles, cervical incompetence leading to revival miscarriage. Thank you.